So a first of its kind mental health safety and justice center is in the works right here in Shelby County. The Board of Commissioners recently signed off on funding a multi-million-dollar facility. And to learn more about the program and what it aims to improve with public safety as well as mental health care, we are joined by Commission Chairwoman Miska Clay Bibbs and Shelby County Mayor Lee Harris's Deputy Chief of Staff Frankie Datkin, joining us this morning with more on this project. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, so first of all, you've been working on this with the mayor's office. What led to this moment? And then I want to know what made you say, yeah, we've got to do this.
Absolutely. Well, 201 Poplar has been the largest provider of mental health care in our region for decades. And virtually everyone agrees that that is not a good thing. That's not where we should be handling healthcare issues. So actually, we've got to give the sheriff credit. The sheriff came to the administration over a year ago with this idea to do something innovative here in our justice system. Since that time, we've worked with the chairwoman, the commission, the public defender, mental health experts to bring a plan that works here in Memphis to rapidly divert people away from 201 Poplar and to appropriate mental health care.
Wow. And so, Commissioner, you have you've been a school board member. Even before that, you were doing things in the community always to make this a better community. Why was this something that you said, you know what, as the chairwoman, I'm going to take this platform and connect?
I think it was the timing. You know, as you mentioned, just my past community work and being a former school board member, I've seen a lot. I know that our community deserves better, and this is an opportunity where I had funds. Quite honestly, I mean, it's the dollars.
Tell it. I mean, that's the real. That's real talk.
It's the real talk. I mean, it's
talk.
dollars and cents of it. We saw an opportunity where we were able to use the ARPA dollars, you know, the federal funding that came in because of COVID, because we actually were going to use that for revenues lost. Good thing is our Shelby County citizens are paying their taxes on time and doing all the things that they're supposed to do. So we did not have to use the funds in that way. So we Frankie and Mayor Harris came and said, hey, this is an opportunity. Let's use this timing. Thankfully, I work with colleagues that truly believe in doing innovative things as a commission. I think Commissioner Sugarman came on probably at the top of the year because of the original trip that we went on with Deputy Chief of Staff Dakin, set up for us to go to Nashville, and we decided we have to do this.
Wow, and so you understand the importance of mental health is a big issue, and we're finally addressing it as communities. Can you talk to that?
Absolutely. So all of us know someone who will be in a mental health crisis at some point in their lives. About half of us will have a mental health diagnosis at some point in our lives ourselves. So what happens when those individuals are in crisis right now? A lot of those individuals end up at 201 Poplar on misdemeanor charges, and they really pose no risk to our community.
And recidivism is all part of that conversation.
Absolutely,
Correct.
absolutely. When you go there and you're in the 201 Poplar, sometimes for over 100 days on a misdemeanor charge with a mental health diagnosis, you're not leaving that facility better prepared to be an active participant in our community. This program is one of the most significant reforms we've seen. It will rapidly divert those individuals to appropriate mental health care so they don't recidivate, so they don't create new victims of crime.
Is all the money available, and what does that look like to make sure that ends do meet, and construction, when could that take place? Do you?
So the dollars are there.
Okay, they're fully there.
They're fully
Thanks
there.
Okay, this is a huge development. I mean, this is a huge development.
That's why it's a huge development, and that's why it was a easy yes for us as a commission. And in order to make sure that we stay on time and on target and making sure we use our dollars wisely, we're using a CMAR approach, which is construction manager.
Oh,
okay.
We learned a word,
Yes.
meaning me. We meaning me.
Which makes all the difference in the world, because when you use that approach, you have someone that's keeping you on task and on target.
Anything that you believe that the community needs to know at this point with this transition to making sure mental health and crime are treated separately?
I would say that through this process, I've learned that all of our local leaders are really passionate and want to come together around this issue. We had 10 sponsors on this, so bipartisan sponsorship.
10 out of 13.
10 out of 13 commissioners have sponsored.
What were the 3 saying?
And 12 voted for it. 12 voted for it. They're going to come along. They're going to come along. You know, we have Sheriff Bonner on board, the district attorney, and so forth. So everyone agrees that this is a big problem. And what I'm just really proud about is that Memphis and Shelby County is doing something about it.
Okay, all right. And so the next step's real fast.
Next steps, we've already passed it on the commission side. They're now working on getting the CMAR approach done. Then they're going to bring it back to us, and we're going to talk about architectural engineering, which is the design. And from there, we'll break ground.
Wow, so we're not going to say 201 Poplar all the time. It's just going to be an interesting dynamic to just see how the community evolves. So thank you so much for joining us and explaining this and bringing us to the next big development. Appreciate this.
Absolutely. Thank you for having us.
All right.